going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman here, your Ohio real estate advisor with Paramount Property Investments. And this video, I want to talk about mechanics liens. In my last video, I talked about if you're a homeowner who has started some rehab work on your property and now you want to sell it, it might be a good idea to, present any and all receipts or paid invoices to the title company. But I wanted to kind of expound on what a mechanics lien is. A mechanics lien is something that a contractor or a handyman can put on your property for unpaid work done on the property. So for example, if I have a house that I want to go ahead and do some renovations on, and I pay contractor Bob to, put a new roof on my house. If I don't pay him the money that he is due for the work that's done on the property, within a certain time frame, he can actually place a lien on my property. So that way, if I ever decide to try to sell my property, I wouldn't be able to do so without actually paying him what's owed to him for the work that's been done on the property. Okay? So in regards to title companies, a lot of times they're going to want to see an affidavit signed by you and your contractor stating that, everybody's been paid in full and that there will be no mechanics liens that are going to pop up after the sale of the property, okay? So definitely keep that in mind. If you have any other questions regarding buying, selling, or investing in real estate, don't hesitate to give me a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.